Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are making natural homemade vitamin C, and this vitamin C is something that you will love. And after watching this video, you will never spend money going to the chemist, going to the doctors to buy vitamin C. At least you know what you are putting into your system. And this is the one that is you can do by yourself at home. And after that, you don't need to buy. So guys, we will need fresh carrot. We need fresh ginger. Please, not a lot of ginger, okay? We are making syrup for vitamin C. We're not making for cold weather when you have cough and catarrh and stuff like that. So just a little ginger is enough. Then we're going to be using some oranges and some plums. If you don't have plums, you can forget about it. I know that it's not everybody that lives in the country where you have plums. Then you also going to use tangerine. Tangerines are everywhere and they are very, very amazing. Okay, guys, if you are seeing all those fruits that I cut in half, I have just finished making some fresh tea. If you are looking for a recipe for fresh fruit tea, go to my page. I have just uploaded it and you are going to see the recipe and you're going to enjoy it. So guys, you are going to remove all the seed, clean your fruit properly, because we're not going to be cooking this before we consume it. Okay, so now you are going to be adding the water that you need. The amount of the fruit that you're going to be using is going to determine the water you're going to use. In this video, I am using half a liter for all that you saw. And then you are going to blend this fruit to stupor. You will blend it and blend it because you don't want to waste anything. You want to get all the nutrients out of the fruit. So blend it properly. And once you finish blending it, guys, then you are going to filter it. Now, this is the pulp that I have, and I'm going to use it for something else. Now, this small glass, you can get the one that you want. These are the glasses that I have at home, and anytime I want to make syrup, vitamin C, for any kind of syrup, green syrup, anytime I want to make something like this, shots and stuff like that, I use my glass. So you can get this glass from Amazon. You can get it from anywhere. They are super cheap and easy to use. So guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and bye.